What's up everybody, Fritz here. Lately we've been talking a lot about BMW software, specifically the iDrive updates as well as Bimmer code. But for some reason your BMW isn't responding to you, or if it's your first time using Bimmer code and you're getting this message, then perhaps it's time to restart the ECU. And the best thing about today's video is that we're going to figure out how to do it for free. Now this ECU restart that we're about to do takes about 15 minutes, and it's not just for those of you who are trying to update the iDrive menu system, or for those of you who are trying to code your car for Bimmer code. This trick is also good for those of you who may have had a check engine light, something like an O2 sensor went bad. You replaced it, but you don't have a scanner tool to get rid of the code. You could restart the ECU and it'll get rid of your check engine light. Now if you didn't replace your O2 sensor, of course the check engine light will pop up again. But for the example that I just laid out, it's going to be perfect for you. Also for those of you who may be trying to reprogram the HomeLink system, maybe you just got your car and you can't program the garage door for your garage or your gate even. This is going to be a great way to reset the ECU so that you could reprogram it. So the first thing that we have to do is head to the trunk. Open it up, and what we want to do is reveal the battery. With this cover off, we have access to the battery. Now go ahead and disconnect the two battery terminals by the 10mm nuts. And once you remove them, you're going to want to touch the terminals. This is going to make sure that any residual power gets subsided from the system, but to make sure, we're also going to turn on the accessory lights and headlights as well. And then once those 15 minutes are up, we're going to reconnect our battery terminals. Put back on the battery cover, close the trunk, turn on the car, plug in our OBD2 adapter, connect to Bimmer code, and voila! We've restarted the ECU, have full access to Bimmer code. If you used it to wash out a check engine light, that should be gone. You should now be able to also reset your HomeLink for your garage or gate, and we did it all for free. Now in the rare case that this doesn't work out, you're going to need to take your car to a BMW specialist or the dealership so that they can do a hard set on the ECU with their specialized computers. However, for most of us, this is going to work out perfectly fine. And if you need any of the tools, it's going to be all down in the description links. And if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. But as of right now, I have some coding to do on this F30, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. And I'll see all of you in the next one.